So previously we've learned the formula of speed is distance divided by time. Now recall I told you there are two most commonly used units of speed. These are either meter per second or kilometer per hour. That means whenever we are solving a question on speed, we'll either give the answer in kilometer per hour or we'll give the answer in meter per second. So if you take distance in kilometers and time in hours, you'll get the speed in kilometers per hour. And if you take distance in meters and time in seconds, you'll get the answer in meter per second. Now in this video, we're going to learn how we convert between these two. That means let's say I give you a speed in kilometers per hour. How do you convert it in meter per second and vice versa? So let's begin. So see, we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how do we do it? It is very simple. See guys, first of all, how do you convert kilometer to meter? We are going from big to small, so multiplication. So kilometer to meter means we multiply by 1000. Is this clear? Next, I want to convert hour to second. So how do I convert hour to second? Again, big to small, so we multiply. First, 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So into 60. Then 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Again into 60. That is 60. I repeat, how do we convert hour to second? We first convert hour to minute. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So into 60. 1 minute is how many seconds? 60. So into 60. Is this clear? So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Then we get this as into 10 by 6 into 6. So again, 6 divided by 2, 3. 10 divided by 2, 5. So this is equal to into 5 upon 3 into 6, 18. That means whenever you want to convert from kilometers per hour to meter per second, what do? We multiply by 5 by 18. I repeat, how did I get this? See, how do we convert kilometer to meter? We multiply by 1000. How do we convert hour to second? First hour to minutes into 60, minute to second into 60. Or if you've done this before, 1 hour is 3600 seconds. Now simplify this, 0, 0, 0 cancel. We get 10 by 36, that is 5 by 18. So whenever you want to convert from kilometers per hour to meter per second, you'll just multiply by 5 by 18. So let me take a few examples. So I'm going to write down certain speeds in kilometers per hour. We'll convert them in meter per second. So let's say we have 36 kilometers per hour. Then we have 72 kilometers per hour. And let's say we have 90 kilometers per hour. So I want to convert these speeds in meter per second. So whenever you want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, just multiply by 5 by 18. So into 5 by 18. So see, 18 divided by 18, 1. 36 divided by 18, 2. 2 into 5, we get the answer as 10 meter per second. So simple guys. I repeat, just multiply by 5 by 18. Whatever answer you get is in meter per second. Similarly, 72 kilometers per hour. Again, into 5 by 18. 18 divided by 18, 1. 72 divided by 18, 4. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. That means 72 kilometers per hour is 20 meter per second. Similarly, 90 kilometers per hour. So again, into 5 by 18. So 18 divided by 18, 1. 90 divided by 18, 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. So we get the answer as 25 meter per second. So this is how you convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. I repeat, given any speed in kilometer per hour, whenever you want in meter per second, just multiply by 5 by 18. And how did we get this 5 by 18? From over here. Is this clear? As simple as that. So I hope kilometer per hour to meter per second is clear. Now we'll do the other way around. That is, how do we go from meter per second to kilometer per hour? So I'll write down over here meter per second to kilometer per hour. So see, again the same technique guys. So see, when we go from meter to kilometer, means small to big means division. So how do we go from meter to kilometer? We divide by 1000. Is this clear? Next, 1 second is how many hours? It is 1 by 3600 part. In case you don't remember this, first how do you convert second to minute? You divide by 60. Minute to hour, again divide by 60. So this is divide by 60 into 60. That is 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. 1 minute is 1/60th of an hour. So we divide like this. So let's simplify this. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. So we get this as divided by 10 upon 6 into 6, 36, divide by 2, 5, divide by 2, 18. So here we get division, that is divided by 5 by 18. That means whenever you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, you have to divide by 5 by 18. Is this clear? Now division by a fraction, how do we do it? We multiply by its reciprocal. So you might either divide by 5 by 18 or multiply by the reciprocal, that is 18 by 5. I repeat, how do we divide by a fraction? We basically multiply by the reciprocal. So what is reciprocal of 5 by 18? 18 by 5. So whenever you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, either divide by 5 by 18 or multiply by 18 by 5, your choice. So let me show you how to use both these techniques. I'll take these same values over here as examples. So I'll say over here, examples. So we have 10 meter per second. Then we have 20 meter per second. And then we have 25 meter per second. So I'll show you'll get the same value. So see, whenever you have to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, either divide by 5 by 18. So when you divide by 5 by 18, what do you get? Let me simplify this. So this is equal to first number as it is into reciprocal of 5 by 18, that is 18 by 5. This is how you divide two numbers, right? So 1 and 2. 2 into 18, 36 kilometers per hour. Now I want you to compare over here, 10 meter per second, see, 36 kilometers per hour. So my suggestion is directly multiply by 18 by 5 because you'll essentially be doing that. So going forward, whenever you're converting from meter per second to kilometer per hour, just multiply by 18 by 5. Next, 20 meter per second. So directly I'll say into 18 by 5. Is this clear? 5 divided by 5, 1. 20 divided by 5, 4. What is 4 into 18? 72. So the answer is 72 kilometer per hour. And you can match it over here. See, 72. Finally, 25 meter per second. Piece of cake into 18 by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 25 divided by 5, 5. What is 5 into 18? 90. So that means 25 meter per second is 90 kilometers per hour. And you can verify this. See, 25 meter per second is 90 kilometer per hour. So this is how you convert between meter per second and kilometer per hour. This is a very important conversion, guys, which we're going to use throughout numericals in physics. So please remember this. Understand how I got it. See, I first wanted to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So how do I convert kilometer to meter? Into 1000. How do I convert hour to second? Into 60 into 60. So because it is only multiplication, hence into comes over here. When you simplify this, you get 5 by 18. That means whenever you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 by 18. For example, 36 kilometers per hour, you want a meter per second into 5 by 18, 10. This into 5 by 18 into 5 by 18. So whenever you want to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, it is simply into 5 by 18. Next, how do we go the other way around? Meter per second to kilometer per hour. Again, the same technique. How do we convert meter to kilometer? Divide by 1000. Second to hour, divide by 60 into 60. So because we have only division here, hence I brought division. When you simplify this, you'll get 5 by 18. So whenever you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, we divide by 5 by 18. And how do we divide by a fraction? We basically multiply with its reciprocal, so into 18 by 5. So whenever you're going from meter per second to kilometer per hour, just multiply by 18 by 5. So as you can see, meter per second, I want the answer in kilometer per hour. So just multiply by 18 by 5. You may also divide by 5 by 18, but then again you're basically multiplying by 18 by 5. So easiest is just multiply by 18 by 5. So remember guys, kilometer per hour to meter per second into 5 by 18, meter per second to kilometer per hour into 18 by 5. There should be no confusion. In case in the exam you're confused, do I multiply by 5 by 18 or 18 by 5? You can always derive it. Or I'll teach you a very simple technique. See, when you're going from kilometers per hour to meter per second, just focus on the numerator, kilometer to meter. So this is big and this is small. Look at the destination. Destination is small, so smaller value 5 by 18. Here, meter per second to kilometer. So destination is big, so bigger value 18 by 5. What I mean is, between 5 by 18 and 18 by 5, which is smaller, which is bigger? This is smaller and this is bigger. So look at the destination. Here destination is meter, so smaller fraction 5 by 18. Here destination is bigger kilometer, so bigger fraction 18 by 5. Another way of remembering this is, like I told you, when we go from big to small, we multiply, small to big, we divide. So big to small into 5 by 18, small to big divided by 5 by 18. Right? So there are multiple ways you can remember. This is the easiest way. I repeat, big to small into 5 by 18, small to big divided by 5 by 18. Is this clear? But in general, please remember kilometer power to meter per second into 5 by 18, meter per second to kilometer power into 18 by 5. So this is how you convert between these two units of speed.